Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dual SIM on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, 17 Air. So let's get started. First thing is you have to find the location of the SIM on your phone. So the US model and a couple other region model does not have a physical SIM. Every other region does. So if yours has one, you'll see it on the left side. You'll see a hole right under the buttons here. Here, this phone doesn't have it because this one is the US model. But I'll show you on one that does. So for one that does here, for example, it's right here. You can see the hole here. So what you need to do is first insert the physical SIM in it. So you take a SIM ejector tool. If you don't have this, you can also take a paper clip and you're going to go ahead and insert it right there. And that's going to go ahead and pop the SIM tray out here. With the SIM tray out, you can go ahead and put in your SIM card. So I'm going to do that now. So here I have a nano SIM card and you're going to basically lay it on this tray like this to fit it. So it's going to look something like this, and then you're going to go ahead and insert it in the same hole. So that's going to go ahead and add the SIM card in. So that's going to be your physical SIM card. Now once you have added that, the next thing you're going to want to do is, you're going back on the phone, is if you want to use a second SIM, you're going to have to use an eSIM. So eSIM is added slightly different. Instead of a physical SIM which will show up, the eSIM you're going to do is go into your setting, and then you're going to see cellular, and you should see an option that says add an eSIM under the first SIM, or you see an option that says set up cellular. So you're going to click on that, set up cellular or add an eSIM. And when you do that, there's two different ways to set up an eSIM. Basically, you can use a QR code or a phone nearby. So if you have an iPhone or Android phone, if you just do that, as long as the other phone is on iOS 16 or later, you can just go click on transfer and it'll transfer it. For example, if I did it on this one, I can go ahead and transfer it over by clicking on this one. Now if you don't have that, the other option is basically the QR code. You're going to scan the QR code. Now this QR code, you might be wondering where you get it. You get it from your phone carrier, the company you get it. They'll give you the QR code, and basically you can scan that and it will get the details necessary to set up cellular. So here this isn't going to work because there's a sample code, and then when you scan it, you can also manually enter the detail. If you can't scan it on another device, you can add this SMDP address, activation code, confirmation code. These are all can be provided from your carrier, so you just need to ask them and they'll provide it. And once you do that, you'll have your dual SIM working. One of them again will be physical and the other one will be eSIM. Alternatively, you can also use two eSIMs or more to have that dual effect. You don't need to use the physical SIM. Physical SIM is an option that's available for some models, not all models. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.